This is how my F150 LEDs.com bed lighting kit showed up. So it comes with 4 connectors, 2 strips, one for each bed rail. It's going to go right along the inside of the bed rail here, both sides, and then it's going to drop down and then go right underneath the rear passenger door here, and come in between the bed there, and come up under the bottom, and then underneath here will be a wire harness I'll have to tack those wire connectors into. More to come when I get that far. The old bike in the corner. All right, I got the LED strips installed inside the bed rails all the way down. You can see here, that's the left side, and then I just tuck it up around the corner and drop it around the top of the bed. I had to remove my tonneau cover just a little bit so I could get access to feed it through, but again, tucked up underneath the rail there, siliconed in place. And next, we're gonna be going over here to the door trim, and I'll be pulling these wires up underneath. Got to drill a hole. So just pull up on this. So, and the access to this harness, and drill a hole right here on the white part. Push those 2 wires through. It's actually 4 wires total, but there's a bundle of 2 each, left and right side. Pull those through, and then I'll tack them into the appropriate wires there. All right, I got the wires pulled through. I drilled a hole here. Pulled both left and right strands through, and I'm gonna try to get a picture underneath. So you can see the wire coming from the back. Don't know if you can see it, but we'll see. And then I got these 4 connectors here, so I'll crack open this harness and find the appropriate wires for 24 and up, which is the bottom step here. Rear driver side, I need to find the gray wire with a violet stripe is my power wire, and my black wire with violet stripe is my ground. So what I'll probably end up doing is tacking this shorter one into the longer one, getting that out of the way, and then I only have 1 connection going to my truck wiring. So this one to this one, and then this main one to the truck harness. So we'll see how that works. Picking up back where we left off, I had to wire in these wires here. It took me a while to find the gray with violet stripe. I tried like 3 different wires. Maybe I'm going colorblind or something, but I struggled with that. But got them all together, and I only had the right side of the bed rail working, so it said to check these connectors again. So I came back and crimped them back down with needle nose, just a little bit, not too much, so I don't want to sever the wires, but I did that and had my wife check it, and now they're both working. As you can see, you know, this is what, 11:50 in the morning, bright and sunny day. I'm in my garage, so it's a little shaded, but I mean, this is super bright. Super bright. Exactly what I was looking for. So, pretty cool stuff. The kit came with some gloves for average size people, but I'm 6'5", 280 pounds, so I gotta use my extra large gloves. Comes with silicone, so I'll put silicone down the, once I stuck them on there, cleaned it off with alcohol wipe that it comes with, stuck them on there, siliconed them all in, both sides. Let it dry for a little bit, but it was drying while I was doing the wiring anyway, so pretty cool stuff.